Hello everyone and welcome to CAD/CAM/CE tutorials. Here in this video we'll see how to find a common portion that is occupied by two bodies or more than two bodies. Here in this example we'll consider only two bodies and we'll try to find out the common portion. So here as we can see that both of these bodies are intersecting each other and there is some common portion for these two bodies. To find that common portion, let's go to the insert features and select here combine feature. Here in combine feature you can perform three type of operation: add and subtract, and the last one is the common. So this common operation is used to find the common portion from the multiple bodies. By selecting this common bodies or this common operation, you need to select all the bodies for which you want to find the common part or common portion. After selecting all the bodies, you can select here the show preview that will show the preview, or we can see the common part from all the bodies. And then you can just click on OK, and that will give you the common part of all the bodies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel CAD/CAM/CE tutorials. Thanks.